In the highly competitive world of commercial real estate, every advantage counts. Brokers and property owners leverage high-quality photos, strategic pricing, and prime locations to attract tenants and buyers. But there's an increasingly powerful tool that many are overlooking: Feng Shui. Far from being a mystical trend, Feng Shui is a practical design philosophy that directly addresses the subconscious needs of potential clients. It's no longer just for luxury spas and wellness centers. Savvy investors and developers are using it to reduce vacancy rates, command higher prices, and create spaces where businesses naturally thrive. Why Feng Shui is a smart business decision. A commercial property is more than just square footage and a location pin. It's a vessel for potential success. Feng Shui optimizes that vessel. It removes subtle barriers that cause prospects to hesitate and enhances the features that make them say yes. In essence, it makes a space feel right, which is often the deciding factor between two otherwise similar properties. The goal is to create an environment that subconsciously communicates stability, prosperity, and opportunity to everyone who walks through the door. Key Feng Shui principles for commercial properties. Here's how to apply these principles to enhance a property's appeal and value. Yi, the power of first impressions. The mouth of qi. In Feng Shui, the entrance, or the mouth of qi, is where energy and opportunity enter. This is your number one priority. Application. Ensure the main entrance is dominant, well lit, and incredibly inviting. It should be easy to find and free of obstructions like overgrown bushes, clutter, or poorly placed signs. A grand, welcoming entrance subconsciously promises a grand, welcoming business opportunity. The command position, the CEO of the space. This is the most important concept for leasing individual units, especially offices. The command position means placing the primary desk, or the potential for one, so that it has a clear view of the door without being directly in line with it, ideally with a solid wall behind for support. Application. When staging an office, position the desk to demonstrate this powerful setup. Explain this feature to prospects. It signals security, control, and strategic advantage, qualities every business owner desires. San. Encourage flow and circulation. Qi should meander gently through a space, not rush through it or get stuck. A good floor plan feels intuitive and easy to navigate. Application. Avoid staging furniture in a way that creates awkward, narrow pathways or sharp, confusing corners. An open, flowing floor plan encourages a smooth flow of people, ideas, and, ultimately, capital. For retail spaces, this is critical for guiding customer movement and maximizing exposure to products. Su. Balance the elements for a target audience. The 5 elements, wood, fire, earth, metal, water, can be used to tailor a space's vibe to its intended use. A tech startup, innovation and growth, might benefit from wood, plants, vertical lines, and fire, bright lighting, triangles. A law firm, stability and trust, would be enhanced by earth, stone accents, square shapes, earthy tones, and metal, clean lines, metallic finishes. A spa or wellness center, flow and calm, would emphasize water, curving paths, reflective surfaces, and wood, natural materials. Wu. Address hidden obstacles, sharp angles and clutter. Feng Shui identifies poison arrows, sharp angles from walls, columns, or beams, that create subconscious stress. Application. Use plants, furniture, or soft lighting to soften sharp corners. The most critical step, however, is relentless decluttering. Empty, clean spaces are a blank canvas, but dirty, storage-filled units feel heavy and stagnant. A pristine property allows prospects to project their own vision onto it effortlessly. The tangible ROI for brokers and owners. Integrating Feng Shui isn't an expense, it's an investment with a clear return. Faster lease up, properties that feel good move faster off the market. Higher perceived value. You can justify a premium price or rental rate for a space that offers not just location, but optimized energy. A powerful marketing angle. Professionally staged using Feng Shui principles is a unique selling proposition that distinguishes your listing from the competition and attracts quality, conscious tenants. Tenant retention. Businesses that thrive in a well-designed space are more likely to renew their leases, ensuring stable, long-term income. In a market where differentiation is key, Feng Shui provides the framework to create commercial spaces that don't just house businesses, but actively contribute to their success. It's the ultimate strategy for enhancing appeal, value, and profitability.